BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Hello, steam train.
Hello, electric train.
I'm going first. Bye.
Wow, she's so fast. Hi, I'm going first. Bye.
I'll catch up with you, high-speed train. Oh no!
Watch out! Ouch! That hurts! My eyes! Oh, and my wheels are not working well.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to run faster than you, so...
It's okay.
Let's go to the train repair station.
Yes.
And ask Kiki and Mew Mew to help us?
Yes!
Chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo. Let's repair trains! Choo choo choo! Chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo. Let's repair trains! Choo choo choo! A train is coming in, blinking, blinking. Everything looks all blurry.
Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now.
Putting on a brand new light. Train, train tries, blinking his eyes. Shining, shining, it's so clear. A train is coming in, wobbling, wobbling. She can't stand straight up, up, up. Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now. Putting on a brand new bolt. Train, train tries, moving her body. I can stand straight, I'm okay.
Don't go too fast next time.
Alright, safety first. A train is coming in, rolling his wheels.
Spinning, spinning, but I can't run. Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now.
Putting on a brand new wheel. Train, train tries, rolling his wheels. Let's go, he feels great. Yeah!
Thank you, Kiki and Mew Mew.
You're welcome.
Please don't run too fast.
Okay.
Kiki, are you okay?
My leg hurts so much.
What do we do?
We're deep in the forest. Ambulances won't make it here.
Look, Kiki, there's a railroad over there. We can call the train rescue team. I'm sure they can help us. This is Mew Mew. Kiki got hurt. Please come help us.
Got it. We'll be right there. Choo-choo. I turn on my siren. I'm steam train. Rescue team, all set. I lead my team with my big stack. I'm steam train. Let's go.
We are the train rescue team.
We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go. We're the train rescue team. Yeah.
Get on. I'll take you to the hospital.
I run faster than any other. I'm high-speed train. Let's go! Running like the wind, I fear nothing. I'm high-speed train. Watch me! We are the train rescue team. We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't Don't be afraid, let's go! We're the train rescue team!
Yeah!
We're almost there!
I have strong and powerful wheels. I'm electric train. We can handle any problem. Let's do it together. We're the train rescue team.
Rescue team!
We are brave and powerful. Brave and powerful.
When you're in danger, don't be afraid, let's go! We're the train rescue team! Yeah!
We're the train rescue team. We're the
Train rescue team!
Train rescue team, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Train rescue team, brave and powerful!
Wow! It's so high!
It's a Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel! I want to ride the Ferris wheel! Me too! Me too!
All right, let's go together.
Yeah!
Here we are in the amusement park.
Hooray!
Hooray! Together let's ride the Ferris wheel.
Hooray! Hooray!
Slowly, slowly it goes up high. Look down there.
Wow! So high!
Clickety-clack. Suddenly it stops. Don't worry, let's shout, help!
Help!
Oh, we are trapped in here.
Help! Help!
We the sirens on, look down there.
Wow! So high!
Hurry up, let's call Super Rescue Team. Emergency, people are trapped in the broken Ferris wheel. Super Rescue Team, time to move out.
Super rescue team, let's go!
Rescue bus has arrived.
Here we come!
Work bus has arrived.
Here we come.
Putting up the ladder.
Look over there.
Wow, so high!
Don't worry, we're gonna get you down from there.
Rescue bus, use the scanner.
Here we go!
Start checking what's the problem.
Here we go!
Beep beep, they found it and quickly fixed the Ferris wheel.
Don't worry, we're gonna rescue you.
Click on like if you like this video. Huh?
Mew Mew, is the soup ready?
Wow, it smells good. I can smell it from far away.
I haven't even started.
Huh?
I don't know why there's no gas.
Dear residents, the gas has been cut off in our city. We are trying to fix it. The emergency system has been activated.
Emergency, let's go!
Huh? I'm waiting for your soup.
Whoa!
Kaka,
What is
it?
Mole, mammal, keen sense of smell, gas plumber. He fainted while inspecting a gas leak. He needs your help.
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
sunlight. Where's the rescue team? It's the rescue bus. Please, take me! Somewhere with no sunlight!
Mr. Mole, are you afraid of sunlight?
Yes, I feel really sick now.
Let me check on you. Start analyzing. The results are in. His nose was injured from the sunshine. He lost his sense of smell.
Got it. Let me start the treatment. Hey! Shrink! Oh, I found the wounds! Super recovery machine!
I think I'm all better. Thank you.
No problem!
Oh no, I smell gas.
I'll go help Mr. Mole!
The gas is coming up. Oh, the pipe is aging. Such a strong smell of gas. This must be the source of the leak.
The water leak is more severe here!
The gas pipe is all rusty. That's why it was leaking. We must fix it right away.
Oh no! The water pipe burst!
Kiki, what is it?
The pipe burst and we're trapped!
What? What should we do?
I need backup from headquarters! Kaka, we have another problem! Please send Hank to come and help us!
Copy that. Hank, Kiki asked for backup. Please move out now.
Copy that. The great Hank can solve any problem. Kiki, I'm in place.
Hank, pump the water out!
Okay, leave it to me.
Look!
Hank, the water level's rising! What's going on?
It seems that the pipe is blocked.
I'll go check!
The water pump is working again.
Oh!
Oh no! Super speed!
That was close.
Mr. Mole, you have to wear your safety helmet.
Done! Let's go now.
Kiki, are you okay?
I'm fine. The pipeline is fixed. Huh?
Super Rescue Team, you've done a great job. Thank you very much. Where's Mr. Mole?
I'm here.
Mr. Mole, the gas supply is back to normal. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Mr. Mayor, would you get me a new helmet, please? After all, safety's first.
Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Kiki, we need to hurry. Oh my, we got stuck in the mud.
Help! We need some help.
Monster Car Rescue Team, we need your help.
Okay, we'll be right there. Monster Car Rescue Team, go! I have a big cargo bed. I am Monster Truck. I put out fires with my hose. I'm Monster Fire Truck. Let's go! Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. I am powerful, I'm so strong. I'm Monster Tow Truck.
I help people who get hurt. I'm Monster Ambulance. Let's go!
Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team.
Let's go!
Wow, Monster Car Rescue Team!
Whoop, there goes the siren again. Monster Car Rescue Team, go!
How sweet! I love lollipops. I'll share some with Timmy. Oh no! My lollipops! Someone stole my lollipops.
Hey, thief! Stop!
Here comes police car chasing the thief.
I have a flat tire, what do I do?
Here comes work bus with many tools.
Help me fix my car.
No problem. Check the flat tire. Let me use my wrench. Change it with a brand new one. Haha, it's done.
The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't find him, what do I do?
Here comes Helibus flying in the sky. Help me find the bad thief.
No problem. Take a look on the left, take a look on the right. Look up, look down, and look all around. Haha! I found him. The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't catch him, what do I do?
Helibus and work bus, please.
Help me catch the thief.
No problem.
One on his left, one on his right, one in front of him and one behind.
Haha! I got you, thief. These are mine. Hello, little fish. Huh? You're so good at jumping. Huh? What is it? Oh, my little fish!
It's an earthquake. Mimi, hide under the table.
It's an earthquake, everything is shaking. The house is falling down, crash, boom, bang.
We are trapped in here, it's dark and scary. Help, Super Rescue Team, come save us! Help! Mom, it's so dark, I can't see anything.
Don't worry. Super Rescue Team will be here soon.
It's an earthquake, everything is shaking.
The house fell down and people are trapped.
Hey, Super Rescue Team, it's time to move out. Everyone on the bus, let's go now.
Mom, I heard something outside.
It must be Super Rescue Team. Mimi, blow your whistle. Maybe they can hear you.
Okay. Somewhere over there, someone is whistling. Listen carefully and take a look around. Don't worry, the rescue team is coming for you. Please stay calm, we'll save you.
It's an aftershock. Be careful, everyone.
Hey, strong work bus, we need your help. Please move away this big, big rock. Hey, flying Helibus, we need your help. Please lift away this heavy board. Please lift away this heavy board.
Thank you, Super Rescue Team.
You're welcome. Are you okay?
We're okay.
Oh, my little fish.
Little fish?
Mimi!
Huh?
Here it is!
My little fish! That's great. It's okay too.
Let's see what's inside. Oh, my treasure chest!
Oh, my favorite treasure chest. Oh? Whose chest is this? And why is it here?
Oh, over there! Oh, there you are.
Oh, here's my chest. Oh. Hey, you took the wrong chest. This one is yours.
Oh, it's a shark!
Swim away. A big scary shark is chasing me. Swim away. Big scary shark, please go away.
Super rescue team, help me please!
Rudolph, Mr. Dow needs your help.
Got it, no problem. Rescue team, take the tools and move on out. Marine bus moves through the sea. Super rescue team is here for you.
What's wrong? Why is it not moving?
Oh no, we got stuck by a rope.
What should we do? Marine bus is in trouble now. What should we do? The big scary shark is chasing us.
Ah! The shark is coming!
Don't worry, I have an idea. Rescue team, use the robot hand right away. Marine bus starts moving again. Super rescue team will keep you safe.
Thank you, Rudolph.
You're welcome.
Wait! You took the wrong chest. This one is yours.
Oh, I took your treasure chest.
Wow, he's awesome. Dad, please ride the ski lift with me.
Where's Mimi? Mimi? Mimi, be careful! Mimi, Mimi!
Huh? Dad, I'm here!
Super Rescue Team, my daughter is trapped on the ski lift. Please save her.
Rescue team, someone's trapped on the lift. She needs your help now. Go, go, right away.
Rescue team, get ready and let's move out. Dad, I'm so scared. Rescue bus searches for her from the air. Flying left, flying right, go, go, let's go. Rescue bus found where she is right there. Dad, I'm so cold.
Work bus clears the snow on the slopes. Going left, going right, go, go, let's go. Work bus saved her on the lift at last. Are you okay?
So cold. We're gonna get you out of here. Dad.
Mimi, it's okay now. Super Rescue Team, thank you so much for saving my daughter.
That's what we do.